Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some goodies I bought from Trucker Janie's auction or sale she had. The first thing I got is I bought this 8x8 double-sided 4 design 40 sheets of music scrap paper. I thought this was cool. I love music paper. And it's vintage. I use this for my mixed media. I'll rip a section off just to add something underneath. So I grabbed that. Then she had these little wooden spools, and they're for a project. And then she had a watercolor pad and a palette, and I came with a little brush. But mainly I wanted the palette because Allie's always asking me for a paint palette. And since we moved, I can't find my paint palettes. So I picked it up, just put in Allie's little bin so she has a paint palette. And then this was kind of cool. It's a $2, it was $2, and it's a date thing. And I don't know, I can't right now really look at it. But you press it, and she said you can add more ink to it. I just have to figure it out. But even if it's outdated, I thought it'd be cool on one of my, you can kind of see it. It says 2009 right now. But I know you can move them. I just have to figure out how to move them and how to put more ink in it. But it's just a mixed media can just stamp it down. Then she had this. It's for breads. You punch it. And I got the crock, but sometimes, especially with my hand lately, I can't. Like, I should do that more often. To punch the bread. Sorry, I've lost my thought. Okay, my hand's hurting today. I'm sorry, guys. But you got the little round ones, and I don't know what you call these. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments. The ones that got the holes there. Are those brads too? Because this is what I've always known as a brad. With the little... But I could be wrong. But you got the bronze, some silver brads, and some silver ones with the holes in. And then the gold. But, on the other side, you got little ones with gems in, some hearts. Allie's gonna love these. She's always using my brads. Another heart, some flowers, some ones that are, I think, bronzy color. Yep, or silver. Oh, see, there is a bronze. I know I saw a bronze color. That's big ones. They're cool. Little fire hydrant, a little doggy paw, some stars. Oh, look at the key. That is kind of cool. So, I got that. Now I gotta get it closed. Down. Okay. And then I got these. They're watercolors, I believe she said. I got them for Allie to play with, or mess with. Allie's very artistic. She is always creating something. Not that Dakota isn't her or Riley. But Allie's imagination goes tenfold, man. She's, ouch. She's all over the creative wise. So I thought she'd like these. And I like the fact that she can, if need be, take them to school with her. Because of the container. And a good variety. Oh my lord. Okay. Oh. Variety of good colors. The whole, it's got probably the whole rainbow in here. Oh. There we go. Sorry, doing this one-handed because my hand is bothering me. It hurts. Oh. There we go. There. And it just closes. It's only $1. I know she said she'll be having a future sale, so look for her sale. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.